Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. We got a great episode coming up for Appies with Chappy by the lake. Gonna do some naan bread barbecue chicken pizza. But first up, we're gonna head all the way out to sunny Mexico. Here's a meal I had, so check it out. This is the resort that I stayed at. It was an all-inclusive resort located in Puerto, Moreles, Mexico, which is just south of Cancun. The all-inclusive meals included 5 restaurants, so I'm just on my way to the Asian restaurant. The name of the Asian restaurant was Spices. They also had a Benihana type grill, but you had to reserve in advance to get the show. So I started with the Thai salad. It was steamed vegetables with shrimp and Thai dressing. And for an appetizer, I had the barbecued ribs, which was fried pork ribs sauteed in a wok with a touch of barbecue Asian style, it says. It was quite good. There's the Benihana type grill type thing, but again, you had to book like a day in advance. And for my main course, I had the crispy pork with sweet and sour sauce, ginger, and pineapple, and I had a side of mixed stir-fry vegetables. And for dessert, I had coconut jelly with mixed fruits. Not a lot of mixed fruits going on there, but it was pretty good. Remind me of sort of like a hapia that they get in Hawaii. All in all, it was a pretty good meal. I normally wouldn't go for Asian food in Mexico, but I wanted to try all the restaurants. I'd probably rank that number 4 out of the 5 restaurants. You can see the guy in the background doing the teppanyaki experience, they call it. So it's just like a Benihana, he's flipping stuff around. But yeah, again, you have to book that a day in advance. But all in all, pretty good experience. Appies with Chappy by the lake. Appies with Chappy by the lake. Today we're going to do a little bit of barbecue chicken pizza for appetizers. See here how I made them. Alright, so I'm going to do some barbecue chicken flatbread pizza. So I just have some naan bread. And we're going to do a little bullseye barbecue sauce. And I just have some pulled chicken. And some shredded cheddar cheese. And do a little dollops of salsa. And these are serrano peppers. They definitely pack a punch. They're higher on the Scoville unit than jalapenos. So this is going to be a spicy barbecue chicken pizza. And then finish it off with a little bit of nacho cheese. It's nacho cheese, it's my cheese. And we're going to get this on the barbecue.
to go with my barbecue chicken pizza that I made from Naan bread. I'm going to do a beverage. I got a Tiki mug full of ice, and this is called a Blue Parrot. We'll go 2 ounces of Maui Hawaiian Blue Schnapps, 2 ounces of Captain Morgan spiced rum, and we're going to finish it off with pineapple juice. And that's a Blue Parrot to go with my barbecue chicken pizza.
Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure to hit that notification bell. We got a new episode every Friday. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.